The army which is going to liberate the Holy Land is not going to come out of KL. No. That army will comprise of people who have no fear of death. I read a work, I'm reading a work about the Islamic resistance in Mindanao. How many centuries they fought? And they defeated Spain in Mindanao. And the American writer who wrote about this history, he said about these Mujahideen in Mindanao, what was remarkable about them was none of them had any fear of death. None. You can't produce that kind of people today. Men with backbones made of steel, who fear none but Allah, and who are not afraid of death. You can't produce that today in the modern city. You got to go back to Kampung, go back to the remote countryside, and build a life which is free from the attacks of Dajjal. And these are the people who will liberate the Holy Land. ربنا تقبل منا إنك أنت السميع العليم وتب علينا يا مولانا إنك أنت التواب